Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to hide birthday on Facebook. So to begin the process, first thing is open the Facebook application, tap open Facebook and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in into the account, what you need to do is you need to tap on your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon on the top left, tap that. Once you're at the profile page, you need to tap on Edit Profile. Tap that option. In the Edit Profile, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Edit Your About Info. Tap on it. Here on the Edit About Info, you scroll down to the Basic Info. In the Basic Info, you will have the gender and your date of birth. Now here, you need to tap on Edit beside it. Tap on Edit. From here, you will be able to hide your date of birth on Facebook. You can see the birthday and birth year on top. And you will have the small icon just beside it. You tap on the drop-down menu. It will give you this option of public, friend of friend, friend. If you tap on more option, you will have only me. So this is the option where if you choose the only me option, only you will be able to view the birthday of yours. You need to do the same process on the birth year. Tap on the drop down menu and from there you need to choose the only me. If you choose the options like public, friend of friend, friends, in public everyone on Facebook will be able to view your birthday. In the option friend of friend, all your friend and friends of friends will be able to view your birthday. Likewise, in friend, your friend on Facebook will be able to view your birthday. The only option is only me. You tap that option. Now you need to make sure that you save these changes. For that, tap on save on the bottom, tap on save. And with the changes being made, you have hidden your date of birth on Facebook. No one on Facebook will be able to view your date of birth anymore. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.